Hey guys, what's up? This is Geronimo and thank you for watching this video. And for today, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano ba kayo magde-design ng channel art nyo using this free website called Canva.com. So this video is not sponsored by Canva, but I love how intuitive this website is and how it helps content creators also in designing our collaterals like channel art, thumbnails, and many more. So kung gusto nyong check out yung website na to, feel free to sign up here in canva.com. So without further ado, let's start our tutorial for today. So as you can see here in our interface, meron tayo dito nakalagay search Canva. So naka-sign in na ako guys. Meron dito create design. So pag click nyo to, meron na mga certain templates na pwede kayong pagpilian, but let's try to search on Canva. Like we search YouTube, there you go, YouTube channel art. So hindi na tayo mahirapan pa maghanap ng resolution kasi meron na ditong built-in feature. So ang daming magagandang template, but let's go with the free version since I'm assuming na you're new here. So di pa kayo nakapag-sign up or buy ng or subscribe ng plan sa Canva para hindi rin kayo mahirapan later on. So let's look up yung iba't ibang templates na nandito. So this channel art that we're making right now is for our good friend from Joy Essentials. So if you want to learn more about essential oils and paano ba siya gamitin or ano yung mga pwede nyong gawin dun sa mga essential oils nyo, you might want to visit their YouTube channel. And I think this one fits their branding, their style. So let's try making this one. Okay, so first thing here is pwede na kayong right off the bat mag-edit. And ang kagandahan dito is templated na siya, so wala na kayo masyadong iisipin pa. So let's try Joy Essentials. Putting up here. Tapos lagyan natin learn more about your essential oils. Kung mapapansin natin, hindi kasya yung text. So let's see, pwedeng baguhin yung font size. There you go. Sobrang andaling i-edit out ng mga elements dito sa ating Canva. And let's see. Okay, got it. What I want here is, since the color scheme is not that good, let's try, if we delete this one, kasi meron tayo ditong pre-made image from them. So we can upload it directly and we can change the size. Oh, merong shortcut guys, the control tapos bracket. Pwede nyong i-click yon para ma-arrange yung elements nyo. But if you don't want to click the shortcuts, meron dito, right-click nyo lang, tas merong send backward, send to back, bring forward, bring to front. So, ang ginagawa nito ay ina-arrange niya lang kung layer kasi to, layer type tong ganitong editor. So, kung sino yung mas mataas or kung sino yung nasa taas, yun yung makikita natin. So, okay. I think let's resize first, or let's rearrange the elements first. Okay, there you go. Okay. Oh, pwede mong baguhin din yung rectangle. Okay, baba natin ulit. Ibalik natin yung color niya dito sa gold kasi ito yung ano nila eh. Mas magandang color scheme. There you go. Ganun lang kadaling maggawa dito sa Canva. And if you want to save this one, you can click the download here. Then, suggested PNG. Tapos, click download. So, there you go. Tapos na tayo sa ating channel art. Ganun lang kadali mag-edit, guys, dito sa Canva. But, if we will create from scratch, can we do it here? Yun ang tanong. So, let's try creating something from scratch. Since nandito na tayo sa home, let's click the create design, then create custom size. So, 2560 by 1440. Oops. 2560 by 1440. There you go, may suggested. Then create new design. So mag-open siya ng new tab. Then meron ding mga templates na ready-made na pwede mong pagpilian sa gilid. But sabi nga natin, gagawa tayo ng new channel art. So, meron na tayong ready-made PNG. Okay. Dinownload. Ginawa ko na to kanina, tinanggal ko na yung background nila and meron na ring stroke to. So, first thing is baguhin natin yung color ng ating background. Ang kagandahan dito is meron kayong makikitang color scheme or yung pwedeng bumagay dun sa photo na ginamit nyo. And that's what we want. Dapat nagko-complement to each other yung gagamitin nating colors here in our canvas. Okay? Jeff, ba't mo nilalapit masyado? Meron tayong dalawang reason bakit. Kasi minsan nakakrop sa mobile version yung channel art nyo. So, we don't want that. Okay. So, pwede nyo baguhin yung font style nito. Ang dami nilang ino-offer na font right now, but I think let's go with sans serif first. Let's pick. I think Quicksand is good, but let's lower the font size. There you go. Joy Essentials. Then let's add the subheading. Learn more about essential oils. Then let's pick let's lower down the font size first. So ngayon ang ginagawa natin is binibigyan natin ng contrast between the header and our subhead. Dalawang way pwede nyong gawin is same font style or font family, then different weight like this one. So baba lang natin yung ganyan. Yan. Pwedeng ganyang contrast or pwedeng contrast is magkaibang font style. So I'm thinking of using serif here. Bagay ba? Or we can use this kind of font. Let's add elements. Sa elements, dito kayo pwedeng maglagay ng shapes like what we're doing right now. Palitan lang natin yung kulay ng font na to kasi lumalaban siya. Okay. Tapos, lagyan natin kung tuwing kailan sila mag-upload. Kasi importante yan, at least every time na pupunta yung mga followers nyo or subscribers nyo or yung mga possible viewers or subscribers nyo sa channel nyo, alam nila kung kailan sila mag-aabang ng new uploads nyo. I love how they construct yung color palette based dun sa photo. At least meron kayong guide kung ano yung bagay sa channel art nyo at hindi na kayo lalayo pa. So, let's try to add their logo here. Kasi meron silang bagong logo. But I don't think bagay sa color scheme natin right now. Let's remove the logo. Ang kagandahan dito, meron na sila agad mga graphics na pwede nyong gamitin for free and hindi na kayo masyadong maghahanap pa. So, ano tong use ng connect with us? Kasi sa channel art natin, meron tayong pwedeng ilagay na mga links. So, dito banda siya lalabas. Kaya dito natin siya ilalagay. I like to use handwritten fonts for this one. Just make sure na hindi masyadong away dun sa ginamit nating font. There you go. Parang gusto ko to. So as you can see, pag nagde-design ako, talagang it's trial and error. Kasi hindi natin siya ma-achieve agad-agad na tama or gusto agad natin yung design. So, mas maganda yung during the process, dun kayo talaga nagtatry. At least, umaandar yung design nyo. Let's try searching. Arrow. There you have it. Arrow but not moving. Oh, there you go. Okay. Let's just change the color of this to then. This is the exciting part. We can add graphics using this elements here. See all. Then since medyo earthy or more of nature yung nafe-feel ko dun sa channel art nila, let's try to add some sketchy flowers or start with the simple drawn objects. So what I'm doing is pinapantay ko lang guys kung saan yung color scheme na suggested based dun sa mga photos na ginamit natin. Sabi ko sa inyo maganda to kasi nababalance nyo kung ano yung mga colors lang na lalabas dun sa artwork, which is nice. Oh, nice. Yung magic recommendation, guys, is based dun sa progression ng design mo, magsasuggest sila ng mga elements na babagay. Even it's jiving with the color scheme that you are using. But let's change this one to this. Nope. Okay, we're done. Let's save this one and download. So what do I think about this Canva for your channel art or thumbnail? I think this is very useful. Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito is meron siyang built-in color checker wherein they will collate yung color scheme na bagay dun sa ginagawa mong design or artwork. And also, gusto ko rin dito yung mga suggested graphics nila kasi the Canva itself analyze kung ano yung graphics na bagay dun sa progression ng design mo. Like what you've seen earlier, talagang ang gaganda ng mga nire-recommend nila and bagay din yung color scheme na ginagamit. But, if hindi nyo trip yung pagka-accent ng color na yun, you can change the color of those graphics. And this Canva is super helpful, time saver, and efficient. If you don't really want to spend time learning about Photoshop, Canva is the best way to create more content, to create your marketing collaterals, or to execute your content marketing strategies. So, better check this canva.com and start designing your materials here. Kasi, guys, free lang yung ginamit ko pero ang dami ko nang pwedeng gawin dito sa Canva. And I think marami pa tayong video na gagawin about Canva for your YouTube channel. So guys, that's how easy it is to create your channel art here in Canva. If you have any questions, recommendations, clarifications about using this Canva for your channel art, don't forget to comment it in our comment section below kasi malaking tulong yun sa mga nanonood ng video na to. And also, if you want to learn more about photography, videography, editing, and vlogging, consider clicking the subscribe button. Sabi ko nga din kanina, if you want to learn more about essential oils, don't forget to visit Joy Essentials. They provide so much value in their video and hindi kayo magsisisi. Also, we do have our Buy Me a Coffee site link in our description box below. Once again, this is Geronimo. See you on my next one. Bye. Peace.